Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how we can create a passkey and add it to your account on Github in 2026. So let us dive into this. Navigate to Github, log into your account and click into your profile icon in the top right. From there, navigate to settings. Here inside your settings, to the left, navigate to, let me find it, to password and authentication here. From there, what you want to do, guys, is navigate to Passkey and click into this button. Click into this green button next. And after that, select where you would like to save your passkey for GitHub. Now you can use, for example, this option here, sign in again, to save that passkey in your Google account. Or you can use an external security key, for example, saved on a USB stick. I will go with the Google account. After that, what you want to do is sign into your account. Confirm by clicking into this button, and after that enter your Google Password Manager PIN here, and that's it. As you can see, the passkey has been successfully added, and you may, for example, give the passkey also a nickname here if you like, but doing that is I don't know if it's optional or mandatory. Let me just do it and add it, I don't know, Passkey 1, for example. Click into done here, confirm, and that is going to configure and save the passkey, as you can see. So you can now view it through your Google Password Manager on Google Chrome. Just make sure that you access it with the associated Google account, of course. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll catch you later.